A very good evening, everyone, and a warm welcome from Meghalaya as we join you live from the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Shillong for match number 28 of this 134th edition of the Indian Oil Durand Cup, powered by SBI and Coal India, organised by the Indian Armed Forces and supported by the government of Meghalaya. It's the North East Derby tonight as Group E leaders Shillong Lajong take on North East United in this high-octane clash. Should be a really good match as well. Pratik Mondo gets us underway, then Shillong Lajong, all in red, kicking from left to right in the first half. Straight away, Shillong looking to get in behind. We saw two brilliant performances from the wide men in that opening game. Baum, who got a couple of goals, and Sheen as well, whose set-piece deliveries were superb, and Sana in the middle. They were a really potent front three. Might not be all plain sailing for North East United tonight. Radim Talang, who was born in this part of the world, of course, extended his contract at one of the home games here towards the end of last season, having been converted to a right back over the course of the last season by Juan Pedro Bernali. Here is Andy, lovely ball threaded through, perfectly weighted, and the man who cannot stop scoring scores once again, Aladdin Ajare. What a lovely weighted through ball from the Spaniard. And Ajare scored a hat-trick in the first game. It's taken him just 4 minutes to get on the score sheet here against Shillong Lajong. 4 goals in the tournament, and his wonderful goal-scoring record just keeps getting better and better. North East lead by a 1-0. That's given away. Here they come again. Oh, that almost squeezes in from Frankie Baum, who went for goal. The angle was tight. I think Gurmit may have got a hand on that. Well, the Shillong fans have seen their team concede an early goal, but a good response. Here they come with Sheen. Went for goal straight at Gurmit. Didn't quite have the power. Gathered at the second attempt Gurmit. But Sheen getting another shot on target for Shillong, who are just starting to threaten now.
Yeah, again, much better play from Shillong Lajong once they win the ball. Just try and play in quickly, play it low and play it hard.
Straight at the other end, Ditin! Oh! Stabbed wide by Ajare. So close to another. It was a brilliant ball in, and Ajare just couldn't quite stretch to get a better contact on it and stabs it just wide. But from a chance at one end to almost the second North East United goal at the other. Shillong once again into Sana, caught in behind him, Sana on the turn. Too many white shirts behind him, good block, good defending, and here come North East. Well, it really is end to end at the moment, great entertainment. Just in behind again. Kind of went for the acrobatic. Frankie Baum, good save, Gurmit. Really sharp stop by the goalkeeper. Had to get down really quickly to that one. And Gurmit shows why he's such a highly rated goalkeeper. Makes it a really good stop, but another chance for Frankie Baum, denied by the goalkeeper. That was Andy. Good shot and a good save by Sybil, who just... well, he had his body right behind that. It's almost given away by Shillong Lajong, but they've managed to retain possession. Tariang, can he come up with some quality on the cross? Deeper ball, and he does come up with quality! And Shillong Lajong are back in the game. It's Figo, the man who's only been on a few minutes, who equalises. And finally, quality in the final third leads to a goal. Brilliant ball in from Tariang, and Figo arriving with a powerful header beyond Gurmit. And Shillong Lajong have got their equaliser inside the final 10 minutes. It's 1-1.
Yeah, fully deserved. We feel for Shillong Lajong. You could see the frustration was creeping in for North East United and for Juan Pedro Bernali, and this is why they were just giving the ball away too cheaply to Shillong Lajong. And this time, once they gave it away, the marauding fullbacks, save me Tariang, finding himself on the left wing with space and time to get his head up. And it was an inch perfect across.
But here they come again on the turn. Oh, they've retaken the lead. Who is it? I don't need to tell you. It's Aladdin Ajari once again. 5 goals in 2 matches. And it's that age-old problem in football. You concede immediately after scoring a goal. Just that lack of concentration. And when you have a striker like Aladdin Ajari, you cannot afford that. North East United was back level for just a couple of minutes. Ajari's put them back in front 2-1. Was actually slipped out of his hands, I think, as Pratik Mondal blows the whistle to bring the game to a close. And North East United's winning start to the defence of their Durand Cup trophy continues. They've had to work hard, though. They were pegged back by Shillong Lajong in the second half after Ajari's opener. But a second from him after Figo's equaliser, literally a minute later, have meant that North East take the points. Shillong will finish on 6 points and be hoping that other results go kindly for them as they go through as one of the best second-place teams.